Hi everyone, in this quick guide I'll show you how to download and install 7-Zip on Windows 10. It's a simple and safe way to manage large files and compressed archives on your computer. Start by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in 7-Zip download. Click on the official 7-Zip website. This ensures you're downloading the latest and most secure version. On the website, you'll see options for different versions. Choose the one that matches your system, 32-bit or 64-bit. If you're unsure, right-click on this PC, go to Properties, and check your system type. Click on the correct installer link to start the download. Once finished, open your Downloads folder to find the setup file. Double-click the installer to run it, follow the prompts, choose an installation location if needed, and then click Install. The process only takes a few seconds. And that's it. 7-Zip is now installed on your Windows 10 PC. You can use it to open, create, and manage all kinds of compressed files. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe for more quick tech guides.